Hey everyone, welcome to Wild Country Acres. Well, as you may have seen on one or two pieces of social media, we have new arrivals, and here they are. We have 8 beautiful new piglets.
Hi, Mama. Oh, you want some more marshmallows? Yeah, you do. Oh, you didn't see them. Red, how are you? You like your marshmallows?
Next up, some updates on those seeds that we started just a few days ago. All right, so here we have Sun Gold Select 2. These are the ones from Baker Creek, and these are the ones that are the hybrid ones from Gurney's. Looks like in the back right there, we've got some San Marzanos that are coming up, some Romas, and some spoon tomatoes. Yay! Like I said, all the blue labeled ones, those are spicy peppers, and none of them have come up yet, but that's okay. Move down. Oh, look who wants to come in. Hi, baby girl. He's a thinker. Hi, honey. Oh, and I got another one who wants to say hi. Hi, Oreo. Hi, sweet girl. Sorry about that. Sidetrack. Okay, so we've got some other some other tomatoes that are starting to come up. We've got some easy hybrids that are just poking up. We've got, do we have any of these ones? Nope, not yet. This is the new one that I'm trying. We've got the seed saved black strawberries. It looks like I've got 2. Look how tiny they are, guys. Welcome to the world, baby plant. We've got purple tomatillos that have come up. I'm okay. I know I talked to my plants. I've got regular non-seed saved black strawberry plants. And in the back, those are my seed saved purple tomatillos. They look like they're doing really good. And still no bell peppers. These are bell peppers over the blue ones. All right, down to the third one. Lots going on here. These were some of the first ones to come up. I'm gonna scooch this forward here. So we have the very last of the cabbages that are just starting to pop up are the Red Express. A little bit smaller, red cabbages. We've got lots of the Chinese cabbage that are coming up. Both of these rows are Chinese. Nope, sorry. These two are Chinese cabbage. So doing good things there. Leek in the onion family takes a little bit longer. Has not come up. That's okay. Now we have our brassicas, more brassicas, I should say. Broccoli. These ones are looking a little leggy, so I have to kind of shift them towards the back a little bit so they're not reaching so much for that light. And then, so we've got the Waltham 29, DeSico in the back right corner, and then the seed save broccoli, which is working. I'm very excited about that. Now we also have in the back 3, 1, 2, 3. Those are all cabbage. The Glory of Ikanuba blah 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 cabbage, which is good for storage, which is why we have those. And then on to the next one. On my second shelf, we have, okay, so these ones you might have to look a little bit closer. Some of the basil is starting to come up. And this is the Genovese basil. You can see I've got 4 rows of them. Let's see here. I thought I saw something else. Nope. So I've got lemon balm in the back. Nothing there. Nothing on the oregano yet. But I do have a lot of the Genovese basil that's poking up. No lavender yet. Oh, I'm starting to see. Look at that tiny little dill right there. Little dill is coming up. It's a big dill! Mom joke. Alright, so that's the progress going on here. Mostly basil. That's alright. We love basil. Next, we have some of our flowers. So looks like we've got Masmato ones that are starting. The blue ones that are starting. These are asters, sorry. Formula Aster Mix, which are barely starting. Got 2 of those. And then, trying to think, look here carefully. Don't see anything else. Over here is where we got some real action. We have Queen Lime Red Zinnia. Both of these 2 are. And in the back, on the back left, I think that's a dollar store variety. It's a variety zinnia, so lots of mix in there. And then Green Envy is the next one right here. And now we also have in the back, those back 2, that's Queenie Lemon Zinnia. And then up front we have Jazzy Red Zinnia. That's a repeat from last year. I don't have any salvia or bee balm coming up yet. I don't see anything with my eyes yet. So, all right, on to the last one, which you're gonna have to squint a little bit for some of this. So I don't see anything in rosemary. I don't see anything in purple coneflower, which is also echinacea. All right, I see a little bit in chamomile. You see those tiny little things? Beautiful chamomile, and right next to it, cute little thyme. We got thyme coming up. They're so small, guys. You have to really be careful, like keep an eye. They're just tiny. And then in front, oops, sorry. I don't see any peppermint. I don't see any sage. I don't see any stevia, but I do see some more. This is the Orangelo thyme. And if I can get my phone here, because I don't have a camera. That's that little guy right there. Starting to come up. Small but mighty. All right. Second one on this one is we have purple basil that is coming up. We've got cinnamon basil that is coming up. We've got in the back here. We have a little bit of lemon basil that's coming up. You can see it right here. If I can get this to, you can see it right there too. A little bit of lemon basil, no lime basil yet. But literally by the end of the day, that could change. So lots of good updates here. Lots of baby plants. I have to go let my cat in. And Ranger is... Ranger. Hi, baby. There's my baby. Oh, get down. Hi, baby. There's Kimber and the Ranger. Gonna go let the cat in. But thank you for joining me here today for a seed starting update. Have a blessed day.